guys, I did it all to be guys, and I'm just playing with Silas. What are you doing, Silas? Are you talking, Daddy? Are you talking, Daddy? Hmm? What you doing? Are you tickle? Tickle? Hey, put your belly button down. Put your belly button away. Put your foot away. So I'm just having fun and enjoying it. So this is what we are doing. So it's gonna be fun, relaxing. I'm just installing some games to make sure everything works on my computer. Here is 2 pictures that Rachel made with the Cricut. If you guys know that we tried the Cricut for the first time, here's some pictures that Rachel's been working on.
Rolling pin from your Play-Doh.
Grace, are you rolling pizza?
And then we'll get you a little flour.
So we are making homemade pizza, you
We
guys. As a family.
You make it round like a little circle. You move your crayon, and now you roll.
I had this one.
Like that?
Yeah.
I had this big one.
Now let's paint it. I'm going to show you what to do first.
Can you paint it?
Paint. Good thing. Every time I cook with these people, I always say it's a good thing it's just Mommy, Daddy, Silas, and Grace eating. Right, Grace?
Wait, Silas.
Everybody
pizza
likes
that
different
we made, you
things.
guys. Look at the pizza
Do you want me
we
to cut you
made.
more
It
pizza
looks so
sticks?
good. And there's the kids' pizza.
So